these fingers.
Okay, trigger finger.
Oh, God.
Son, you don't have to do this.
He challenged me, he insulted Kelvin, he's building mini-mall churches in our territory. Besides, at this point, I think it's too late to back out. They're all drumming and lined up.
You can quit. We'll both quit. I'll quit with you.
I can't quit Cape and Pistol. If I quit, I have absolutely no association with anything that lets people know that I'm special, that I'm better than them.
Son, I hope you don't really believe that. You impress me. Always have. Your devotion to your family, your sons. Look at Gideon. What a good man you have raised. You're clearly a better daddy than I ever was.
Why? Because he came out better than me?
You know what I mean? You don't have to do this.
Duelist, please approach.
That ship has sailed.
Christ.
It's time, Daddy.
Seconds, with the pistols now loaded, hand them to the duelists. Gentlemen, back to back. 10 paces, turn, and fire at my command. Are you ready, duelists?
Ready.
Ready!
Gentlemen, begin. And fire!
Oh, Jesus. God damn it. Oh, fuck me. Whew. Jesse, please, man. Don't do it, all right? I didn't mean it. I didn't want to kill you. Please don't kill me, Jesse. Please. I got a life to live and people to help. For Christ's sakes, I'm an orphan.
Oh, shit. My bad. I didn't mean to do that. It's a ricochet. I don't need a secret society or a duel to prove that I'm an impressive person. Capes and pistols, that stuff doesn't mean shit. Your actions make you an impressive man. So I quit. I give you mercy today, orphan.
Are you okay?
Get off.
Okay.
When I was a child... Oh, fuck y'all.